Hey guys, Rhein's TV here. So today, Rhein is going to make elephant and giraffe out of building blocks.
Okay.
Say hi, Rhein.
Hi.
Create and explore. Follow along, kids. Let's get started, Rhein.
Yes.
Let's start with the colorful elephant. So let's start with the legs. I need this size of block. Stack it together.
Stack it together.
Yes. So mine is done. How about yours?
Yellow.
Good job. Next is the body. Wow! Thank you for helping mommy. So what's next?
How about the green?
The green. Okay. Green.
We need two pieces. Look at that.
Wow! Guys, look at Rhein's elephant. She's finished with the legs and almost done with the body. Oh, she's helping mommy. She knows how to make it.
Ow.
That's okay. So what's next?
How about
Let's put the tail.
okay. Look, mommy.
Good job.
She
Yes.
is helping mommy.
Yes. The tail. Nice. Nice, Rhein. Nice. Tail. And then the trunk. Let's do the trunk. It's smiling. Hi, elephant.
Hi, mommy.
Yes, and then let's make the ear.
Okay. This
Yes,
here.
ears. Yes, that's the ears. Where's your ears?
Here.
Yes, Rhein's ears. We use ears.
What which ears?
Like which ears? We use ears for hearing. One of the 5 senses. What do you hear? Trumpet, trumpet. I hear the elephant. Trumpet,
What savannah?
like savannah.
What the shoe?
Like a zoo. Yes.
That's right.
That's right. Yes.
High
High
five.
five.
You
So we-
did it.
Rhein, almost. So we need these yellow blocks. Can you put it, Rhein?
Yes.
Here.
Yes.
Thank you. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And this.
Thank you. Maybe
And for the
Oh
ears.
no, my tail!
And then, let's put the ears. Thank you. Let's put the ears, Rhein.
Okay, we'll build the ears.
Yes. Let's use this purple block. Let's use this. How do you put the ear? Follow with mommy, like this. Follow mommy.
It's not blue.
Now you want color blue, okay.
I need two blues.
Two blues.
What's that?
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Wow, almost finished, Rhein. You turn it around, turn it. Yes, almost finished. And last, the eyes.
It's two.
Rhein's elephant is finished.
First you say hello to mommy elephant.
Okay. Trumpet, trumpet. Hi, guys.
Oh, I want.
Hi. Hi, baby elephant.
Hi, mommy elephant.
How are you today?
High five, mommy.
High five, high five. Oh, what happened?
What's happening?
That's okay. Wow, look at you, baby elephant. You're so colorful.
Yeah. Oh, mommy elephant. It's so colorful.
Yes, we're the same. Cause you are my daughter. Yes.
you are.
Let's sing
You
the
are
daughter
daughter.
song.
Yes, I will sing the doctor song. Let's sing, mommy elephant.
I love my daughter, my baby Rhein, Rhein. I love my Rhein, Rhein. I love my Rhein, Rhein. Yay.
How are you, mommy elephant?
I'm fine. It's kinda hot here, so hot.
Yes, so hot.
But it's okay. Later I'll take a swimming.
Hi, mommy elephant.
On. Hi.
How are
Kiss,
you?
kiss, kiss, kiss. Kiss.
Kiss, mommy.
Kiss. Kiss mommy. Kiss mommy.
Yeah.
Mm.
I love you.
I love you too.
I love you, mommy elephant.
I love you, baby elephant.
Dance. Do the elephant dance. Do the two and you and me. Who are you? You to sing with you and me. I will you say with you and you do the disco.
Wow, what a nice song.
I will you to say with you and you sing the blocks.
Rhein, the singer.
You to disco.
The ears, the head, the trunk, body, and the tail. So this time, let's make the giraffe.
Body of the giraffe.
Yes, let's start with the legs again. Get your blocks. Nice. And the body.
I need yellow.
Good job. Put the yellow. Mine, I'll use green.
I only use green.
Let's use a purple one. This for for the tail. See, follow instructions. Rhein knows how to follow instructions. Like this. And for the long neck, giraffe has a long neck. We'll use 3 blocks. 3 blue blocks.
I don't see three blue blocks.
You don't have? May I see? May I see yours? May I see? Oh, you only have 1. So let's use purple. Yay! Mommy used blue blocks. Rhein used purple blocks for the neck. And let's put the mouth. Mouth.
That's what
Yes. And one of the 5 senses. We use mouth to taste food. Where's your mouth? Where's Rhein's mouth? Show your mouth to them. Rhein worked again. So this time, Rhein will use blue color blocks. I'll use purple for the mouth.
I will do the mouth.
Yes, put it here. Good job. So I'll use green. You can use green also. Yay! And last, the head and the eyes. Yes.
Head and eyes.
Head and eyes, yes. Head and
This.
eyes.
Head and eyes.
Head and eyes.
That's right.
That's right.
Another savannah.
Yes.
I pretend to savannah.
Let's put it here.
Then we use 2 greens.
For the head, put it here. 2 greens here.
Oh, giraffe is down.
A giraffe is done. Yeah. Hi guys! So, we're done with the giraffe. Legs, body, tail, neck, eyes, and head.
You did it! Hi guys! Mommy said it's giraffe. To say hi.
Hi giraffe!
Sorry. Oh, hi giraffe.
Oh, how long is your neck? Yes, I use it to eat leaves from high trees.
Yummy!
Yummy!
Nom nom! Yummy! Leaves. What do we eat? The giraffe to eat leaves and mommy giraffe.
Oh, you feed the giraffe, feed the giraffe.
Here you go.
Yum, 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 yum. What a tasty leaves.
Here you go, baby giraffe.
Oh, it smells good, Rhein. What's that?
It's a wheat.
It's your favorite. Yes. My favorite.
Here you go, Mommy Giraffe.
Sense of smell. Yum, yum,
Do you
yum.
have-
Ouch! What's that? May, what did you do? It hurts.
I have it.
Woof, 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 woof. Wow, that's good, giraffe. The
What
sense of
Feed the dog.
feeling, skin, sense
the-
of touch.
What
Really? Yes.
To feed the dog means the bone.
Bones? Yes. Bones. Meg likes bones. Yes.
Here you go.
Yummy rain. I like it. Guys, what have you learned today? Today we have learned about 5 senses.
Okay.
Sense of
Ouch.
sight,
Oh.
sense of hearing, sense of smell, sense of taste, and sense of touch.
Yes.
Yay! Rain cities! Finish! What do you call that city?
Town.
Town!
Can I go in the town?
Jaga jaga choo choo.
Can I go in the train?
Yes, you can.
Can I go in the train?
Of course.
Can I go in the train?
Sure. Jaga jaga choo choo. Jaga jaga choo choo.